So the cold storm has arrived again here in the UK, bringing in temperatures in between -5 to -11, and we are getting battered by these freezing weather conditions. Definitely we need to take care of ourselves and our vehicles too. Now we always come across this problem when our de-icer runs out, and sometimes we use lukewarm water on our windscreens, or worst case we leave our engine running to heat up the windscreen, which drains our fuel. Well, I've decided to make a de-icer at home, which is cheap and effective, so let's get straight to this. What you need is a bottle of rubbing alcohol, which is also named as isopropyl alcohol. The one I purchased is 5 litres, which cost me around £11. You need 2 measuring cups, 1 empty spray bottle and some tap water. So to make your very own homemade de-icer, add 1/3 of water into a measuring cup so you have the right amount. Amount of liquids used depends upon the size of your spray bottle. Next, add 2/3 of rubbing alcohol into the next cup. I do advise to wear gloves, and if the liquid gets on your hands, do wash it away immediately to avoid any irritation, and also do keep this away from children. Now mix in 1/3 of the water into the rubbing alcohol. This mixture may cause a fizzy reaction and a strong smell. Now carefully add the solution inside the spray bottle. Tighten the spray lid and you're done. Time to put this to the test. Right, on my windscreen there is some ice settling beneath the snow. I had it previously cleaned, but now for this test I had to leave it for about 2 hours. So no need for a scraper now. Let's start spraying. You can see the immediate effect of this solution. Clearly shows how the ice is melting away. Same effect as a de-icer spray you would buy from your local store. Now you can use a scraper or a wiper to wipe off the excess. Let's give it a shot here. And you can see already this mixture is working straight away. It may leave some residue behind, but that will gradually come off. Let's give this one 3 sprays on the top and see how the results come out. This de-icer will also work on sharp frosted iced up windscreens, windows, door handles, and the list goes on. Look at the results on this, guys. Definitely will be keeping this miracle spray in my car, and the best thing about it, it won't freeze up. There are other cleaning ideas using rubbing alcohol, which I will show you next time. For now, customize your spray bottle and attack the ice with your very own de-icer. And I should catch you in the next one. Peace.